Have you ever wondered whether visitors actually use your accessibility widget after you install it? Most Shopify merchants add an accessibility solution, but never know which accessibility features people actually use. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Accessify Analytics Dashboard to understand visitor behavior, identify the most used accessibility features, and make better decisions to improve your store's user experience.
Inside the Accessify dashboard, open the Analytics section. This dashboard gives you a complete overview of how customers interact with your accessibility widget. Instead of guessing, you can now see real usage data from your visitors. As you scroll down, you'll find detailed analytics for every accessibility feature available in your widget. Each card displays exactly how many times that feature has been used by your visitors. These insights help you understand which accessibility features deliver the most value for your audience.
That's how easy it is to understand accessibility usage with Accessify Analytics. Rather than simply adding an accessibility widget, you can actually measure how visitors interact with it and make data-driven improvements. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out Accessify for more Shopify accessibility guides.